Though the convict pleaded guilty and did not waste court's time, the actions of the convict are so grave and barbaric in humanity, and the convict does not deserve leniency whatsoever. I agree with the state that there is need to protect young innocent children from people like the convicts who are taking advantage of the innocent children to do all sorts of acts that are so inhuman. There are so many people out there that do the same to the innocent children but to go free. So the sentence shall serve as the message. Those so many people like her never to do such acts to the innocent souls. The victim pleaded guilty from onset. She seems remorseful. She did not waste court's time. I think she deserves the second chance when she served her sentence. I will therefore sentence her to 35 years in prison.
Recording.